fellow Jamaicans at home and abroad, Happy New Year to you all. While we have collectively and individually endured many challenges, 2025 tested our strength and resolve in ways none of us could have imagined when our country was devastated by a ferocious Category 5 hurricane on the 28th October. Yet, amidst the intense hardship and destruction, the true spirit of our people shone through. Acts of unspoken bravery in the hurricane saved many lives, only to be followed by a whirlwind of philanthropic generosity as Jamaicans at home and abroad got busy in trying to assist our families and fellow citizens who need our help. Containers and barrels of supplies were packed and sent home like never before. Mission after mission to the devastated communities across Jamaica have been made by individuals and organizations from all walks of life. We rallied behind the black, green and gold in a torrent of love, caring and support for our fellow Jamaicans in need. Even as the immense challenges of 2025 continue to affect us, we welcome the new year 2026 with the great determination that defines us as a people. A new year means a chance to turn over a new leaf and make a fresh start by embracing changes that will make us better and stronger. As our nation engages in the immense and difficult journey of trying to bounce back from a catastrophic disaster, the new year springs forth a new momentum to drive the massive effort that is needed to get our country back on her feet again. This past year, the Jamaican people entrusted the opposition with increased responsibility. In the September general election, they increased their support for us by some 100,000 votes and doubled the number of constituencies we represent in Parliament, increasing our members of Parliament to 28. It is therefore clear that many Jamaicans are seeking a different style of leadership that embraces integrity, accountability, accessibility, and responsive governance. Our strengthened position in the Parliament allows us to scrutinize government actions with greater forcefulness and effectiveness as we press for transparency and champion policies that protect the vulnerable and uplift working families. As Jamaica faces this long and hard road to recovery, the parliamentary opposition has sought to play our constitutional role responsibly and constructively amidst the crisis. We recognize that this is a time when national unity is desired and needed. We have avoided any temptation to make political mileage out of this disaster. We speak out on behalf of communities that we represent, passing on vital information so that they can get the support they desperately need. We make suggestions and recommend solutions as the country navigates from relief to recovery. We ask tough questions that need to be answered in the public interest, demanding accountability from those who exercise governmental power. As 2026 unfolds, we will remain steadfast in our role, standing with the people and advocating tirelessly on their behalf. We will continue to push for clarity and fairness in the distribution of hurricane relief and support for rebuilding. We will continue to demand transparency and accountability in the use of precious resources for recovery. We will continue to demand decisive action to restore hospitals, schools, vital infrastructure, and damaged communities. We will continue to advocate for farmers whose crops, livestock, and poultry were destroyed, for thousands of small businesses now struggling to reopen, and for the stricken families in need of support. We understand that true leadership is about standing up fearlessly and consistently for the people's interests. The circumstances facing our nation in 2026 present a unique opportunity to restore physical infrastructure and rebuild destroyed housing with greater resilience to withstand future natural disasters. We must empower our people with the practical knowledge on how to ensure that their homes are built back better than before, and support them with the materials they need to do so. In restoring our damaged public assets, whether they be roads, bridges, hospitals, schools, water and electricity systems, we must ensure that we invest to achieve greater climate resilience. We must expand mental health support for the many thousands of our people who are struggling to cope with trauma and loss. But beyond the physical reconstruction lies an even deeper task: rebuilding trust. Trust in each other and trust in those who hold governmental power on our behalf. The Jamaica we are striving to rebuild must be one where investment decisions are people-centered, where opportunities are accessible to our youth and persons with disabilities, where women are empowered, where the elderly are supported, and where vulnerable families are strengthened. Every Jamaican deserves to be treated with dignity and fairness. As leader of the opposition, I reaffirm my commitment to responsible governance, principled leadership, the protection of the people's rights, and to pursue the national interest ahead of all else. Jamaica is not the responsibility of any single individual, political party, corporation, or other institution. National development is a shared mission that calls upon the strength and creativity of each of us. As we enter 2026, let us all live with purpose and kindness in the spirit of national unity. Let us always look out for our neighbor, support local businesses and industries, and be generous to those most affected by the impact of the hurricane. Let us carry forward the lessons of 2025 and always be guided by the truth that we are stronger when we support one another. On behalf of the entire opposition, I extend warm New Year's greetings to you all. May 2026 be a year of healing, renewal, and collective progress. Walk good, stay hopeful, and may God bless Jamaica, land we love.